Good morning, everyone. It's Paul for Prestige Binary Options, and welcome to another Epix Trader update. Today, we're going to switch things up, and we're going to be focusing on manual trading by following a simple strategy that I have used and showed here on this channel quite a number of times. However, it has been a couple of weeks since our last manual trading update, so I figured today would be a great time to show it. For this strategy, we are basically going to be focusing on stochastics as our main indicator. We do have a few others, such as MAs and Bollinger Bands. However, we're going to be mainly focusing on stochastics as a confirmation for this strategy. But before we get started, guys, as a friendly reminder, give our videos a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that way you can get notifications on all of our future updates. And be sure to check out all the information below in the video descriptions so you can click the links, learn more about the features provided by Epix Trader, as well as links to our previous videos and live trading updates. So let's go in, guys, and see what we have. Now, it is early in the morning, so there are very limited signals that I can take at the moment, but I just want to use this as an opportunity to show you how to use the simple strategy that I use for manual trading. And also keep in mind, guys, that this strategy is mainly recommended for currency pairs. You don't want to use this for other assets like oil, silver, Coca-Cola, or other commodities or indices. So for this case, we only have the Euro NZD, but we're going to take this trade. So according to Epix Trader, it is telling us to place a put trade, predicting that the price is going to go down. So what we do is we go to our MetaTrader 4 chart. This gives us a live view as to what's happening within a specific asset. And when you're using stochastics, what you want to look for are reversals. So when it crosses the top line, which is known as the resistance line, there's always a reversal in price and the price drops back down. However, if the lines cross and or touch the support line, which is the bottom line over here, there's always a reversal and the price shoots back up. Now we're looking at the Euro AUD because I do not have the Euro NZD. But the Euro AUD positively correlates with the Euro NZD. So whatever happens with the Euro AUD also happens with the Euro NZD. So that's why we're looking at Euro AUD chart. So as you can see, the Euro AUD has already crossed that resistance line threshold. So the price is fighting to shoot back down. And according to the Epix Trader signals, it is telling us to place a put trade. It is slightly shooting back up a little bit over here, but because it has already crossed that resistance line, the probability that the price will shoot back down towards the support line is quite high. So I'm going to follow what Epix Trader is telling us in placing a put for the Euro NZD. And we're going to go to our broker here, make sure we're looking at the right asset. Now for this strategy, guys, I like to focus on 15 to 30 minute trades. However, for this option, I only have an expiration, which is at 11 GMT. So this trade will go for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to do a trade here for you know what? Let's do something big because we're only doing one trade. I'm going to do a $200 trade. So let's make it big over here. And we're going to place a put and confirm the trade. Now let's see if there are any more signals that we can take and follow the same steps. Okay, perfect. We have a Euro NZD. According to Epix Trader, is telling us to place a put trade. So let's go to our charts here and let's confirm whether it's correct or not. Okay, so this is a beautiful indication right here. Like I stated, once it crosses that resistance line, there's always a reversal and the price will shoot back down. So as you can see, that price is crossed and it's already starting to bend in a downward position. So the price of the Euro USD is going to drop. So again, we go back to our broker here, look for the Euro USD. And we're going to do a $100 trade for a put. All right, so we don't have any more trades to take. Again, for this strategy, we don't want to use commodities or such as silver or oil or any types of other indices. So we have those two trades. Those two trades won't expire for another half hour. So what we'll do is we'll come back, take a look at the results within Epix Trader, and our broker will take a look at the details and the results and hope to see if this strategy is still effective with the Epix Trader signals. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll be right back. Okay, folks, we are back. So let's log back in and take a look at those results. from the account balance, we had a huge boost in profits. So we definitely had some success with those 2 trades. But let's take a closer look here in our closed trade account within our broker. So here we have our Euro USD and the Euro NZD. And to be honest, guys, that Euro NZD trade where I placed a $200 investment, I was nervous the moment I clicked that approve button because I don't normally place such high trade investments, thinking that that was going to be the only trade I was going to take for this morning. Not only because of the high investment amount, but also because of how close that trade was. When we entered that trade, we entered at 132 and it closed at 125. So if we actually take a look at the charts here, the price did shoot back up, but then luckily for us, it closed back down. So we were actually fortunate enough to take that 30-minute trade because normally I would target a 15-minute trade. So that was a very close call, but nonetheless, we still made a nice profit of $146 in profits just from that $200 investment. The Euro USD, another one which was semi-closed, entering at 997 and closing at 991. So these were some close trades with not a large pip spread, but we made a great success from those 2 trades, giving us a total profit of around $227. So as you can see, guys, using this strategy is very simple when it comes to using stochastics as your indicators. But what I recommend, guys, don't just jump in and start using a new strategy. If you want to practice with this method, practice on a demo or use a paper trade where you just write it down on a piece of paper. It's always good to practice before you start investing your own money. But nonetheless, guys, very good results in terms of the connection with the Epix Trader signals, and we have a beautiful increase where we just crossed the $4,000 threshold in our account balance. So if you're interested, folks, check out all the information below. Click the link so you can get your own free copy of the Epix Trader and start profiting with it today. If manual trading seems a little too confusing and complex for you, don't forget that Epix Trader is first and foremost an auto trading app, which is by far the easiest feature that they provide. If you have any questions, guys, email me anytime at prestigebinary@gmail.com. Don't forget to like our videos and also subscribe to our channel so that way you can get notifications on all of our future updates. I hope you enjoyed my live manual trading session using Epix Trader, and I'll see you next time.